It's like being a full-bodied gin and tonic. Your whole body goes...
Oh, that's cold.
Sleeping in the day, waking in the evening, sunset in your eyes, don't know what you think.
We're back in the north in Västerbotten, and this time at Kurjoviken's Gin.
Cheers.
The perfect host, Mattias Richtman, is welcoming us with a gin drink.
Nice.
Yeah. It does have that kick.
Yeah.
We're not here to drink French cocktails. Today's challenge is to make our own gin.
And this is where I want you to choose your flavors. It's like making perfume.
Yeah.
You have your notes that you like.
Do you have any tip for us before
Yeah.
we make our own? Like, don't use this.
You have to be careful with the flavors that are licorice.
Yeah.
And also chipotle is not a great flavor, then it gets smoky.
Mattias has got a whole pantry, a library of dried herbs, fruits and berries.
This is field berries. They only grow here around the Arctic Circle. They are the most exclusive berry you can find. They are about 2,000 kronor a kilo.
Oh, wow.
I think we definitely have to have some of those in.
Yes.
There aren't many rules to gin making. Juniper is a must, but then it's up to you to find a nice blend.
Oh, so should we make a gin which has the Swedish influence but also the British influence? So it's a blend of us.
There you go. Tea.
And I think we should go with the super expensive berries.
We should definitely have the super expensive berries. He's
Chorizo! Maybe some mushrooms.
You have chosen a little bit of different spices and
good.
Could you analyze that?
cicoria.
Are you thinking why not?
It's gonna work. It's gonna work. But you know what I think cicoria smells like?
No.
An old, moist English bathroom.
Well, there you go. That's why I chose it, because I feel homesick for a bathroom with carpet.
So now we're gonna weigh this and distill it.
There's something fabulous about making your own gin. It has your character, your signature, and you have the finished product in a matter of hours. Not like wine where it might take many years. And with any luck, you have something that looks and tastes delicious too. 96% alcohol with juniper berries. Well, while our gin is distilling, we've some time for some recreation. This is exciting.
Am I the only one scared, Joe?
Here in the north, people have been ice bathing for centuries. Why? Well, it's said to improve your immune system, help you lose weight, cheer you up, tighten your skin, improve your circulation, relieve pain, and even help you sleep.
Okay, so remember, the key is to do this slowly.
Slowly.
Slowly. Good work.
Oh. Wow.
Wow.
It's like being a full-bodied gin and tonic. Your whole body goes...
Oh, that's cold.
I read about this, and I've seen other people do it. And I've been quite happy to watch them go in ice swimming and tell me about it. I'm not sure I actually have to do it myself.
Now refreshing. Now refreshing. Now it kicks in.
I sort of want to go back in a weird way. Now I've done it, and I want to come back another day. I want to do it again.
It is. It is one of those things. It's nice when you've done it. Much of the pleasure is coming out of the thing.
Yeah, and then it spreads in your body.
It spreads through your body.
And now we're actually drinking a beer which is local produced, and the name is How to Drink and Drive, which means
it must be alcohol free.
Yes.
It's either alcohol free or massively unethical. It's alcohol free.
It's alcohol free.
Delicious.
Cheers.
This is the way
Good
to do
work.
it. Bra jobbat.
Bra jobbat.
This is surströmming,
Surströmming.
fermented herring.
So
Yeah, I have.
distilled.
Distilled essence of fermented herring.
Yeah, and it's 5 grams of the herring distilled in 1 liter. Just smell it.
Smell it's gonna be enough. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah,
gonna be
it's
enough.
gonna be
Yeah. Should we
Morning.
let the ladies start?
Yeah, go on. You can go first. I swam first.
Oh my god.
So you will never find a gin with surströmming in it.
No, because it smells like sort of really old underpants or something. And that's
I want to try
absolutely
it.
foul.
There are some delicious products here, but it has to be said, surströmming gin is the most revolting thing I've ever tasted. We're learning that having gin as an aperitif and a cocktail is only half the fun. Matthias believes gin in cocktails can be a great food match too and enhance the whole meal.
So when you deep fry it, pop-ups like a popcorn.
Oh!
That's foul.
With Matthias, we're making a special toast. It's made with reindeer meat that's been cured, pickled red onion, a poached egg, and a mayonnaise and ponzu sauce. Delicious.
This is the first gin I distilled, and I'm so proud of it. It's kind of my little baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really proud of it.
Gin baby.
Yeah, you can taste a little bit.
That's very different.
Yeah.
Get over here, because now your gin is done.
Wow, delicious. Wow.
I also-
Amazing. I love it. But it feels like a citrus peel-ish.
Yeah, it does.
Thank you very
Thanks.
much.
It's been great.
It's been brilliant.
Thank you.
Amazing experience.
Yeah,
Thank you
it's-
so much.
It's been fun.